Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This quick short video I thought I would shoot to show you how I get the bags onto the rings for the air suspension. We've got all of the zinc and plating done on that now, so this is the next thing to do, get these bags located. So let me get this done. I did it by hand, I didn't use any tools. Basically what I did, I'll tell you the process and I'll go and grab the other bag. I warmed the oven up to around 170 degrees. I wrapped the airbag in a towel so it didn't get any too harsh heat and certainly not sitting on any of the metal in the oven, and just allowed the radiant heat to, and then I shut the oven off and then left it in there for about 10 minutes to kind of get some warmth into the rubber. And then what I'm going to do is put some dish soap on the ring and then what I did, I passed the bag through this way rather than trying to hook the ring on. It seemed to work for me. So anyway, let me see if that's ready for doing it, and I'll zoom in and we'll see if we can do it on camera. Probably won't be able to do it after all that, but no, I should be able to. I'll get some dish soap on this and we'll see how we get on. Okay, this is straight out the oven. It's not hot, you know, obviously I wouldn't get it hot, but it's just warm to the touch. And I've got nicked the dish soap from the counter, just get a little of that on there. Then we'll get a bit on the ring itself. Let's see how we can do it. So obviously we're going to pass through this way. I can orientate it once I've got it in there. So let's see what we did here. We'll struggle to get the start. Let's work my way round. Stuff that in here. There you go. That wasn't too bad. So I can orientate the ring now, you see, for the drain hole orientation. I'll check that later, but that went all right. There's apparently no sealant or anything that's put on this. It's a straight pressure fit. One set bolts on there, so these little beauties go on there. See, it's got a slight gap there, so that cinches down nice and tight. So there you have it. That wasn't too bad actually. So you just got to kind of crunch that bulbous point down and then it pops through pretty easy. And a little dish soap and then wipe your hands, otherwise you're going to be slipping and sliding all over the place. So there you go, a little short video just to show you how I did that. Before I go, I wanted to show you how lovely, I know I did that video on the calipers, but I wanted to show you with the black chromate bolts went in. It's got a nice contrast and everything, so they came out real nice. So I've got the rebuild kits on order for those, for all the new seals. Because yeah, what I want to do, I want to start getting some things completed, you know, so you feel like you're making a good decent amount of progress. So I want to order up all the rest of the parts that I need for this and start assembling it, so it's all back together and all done, all sitting there. And then it kind of gives you some enthusiasm. You know, I've got plenty of enthusiasm, don't get me wrong, but I just want to see something completed, you know, and I'm sure you guys do it too as well. And I'm really looking forward to getting this back together. What I might do, the frame coating, the internal frame coating I bought from Eastwood, I think it was. I'm going to inject internal frame coating inside this member as well. It's probably unnecessary, but while it's out, I can put a probe down there there was one other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. When I removed the engine mounts from the 6.3, I removed them. Now this was different from my 280, the other 108, and the 4.5 that I've done before. On the 6.3, they had this bolt underneath with a fat rubber washer on it bolted in. So once that sits on the frame, you see, and you bolt through there, I couldn't see, unless you lifted the engine way up, you'd have to clear that bolt to get it out. It wouldn't just slide out, because obviously it's got a hole in the frame. So can someone let me know what that is for? Is that some last ditch safety thing in case these top mount bolts fail? I just can't make it out because it just literally sits in a hole there. So that's just another thing. So that is it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be jumping back onto the bodywork, and we will be moving towards fixing that driver side inner wheel arch, the whole thing. I'll talk to you about my plans on that, and then removing the front radiator support to enable me to pull the engine out in the front ways, and I'll tell you all about the reasons behind that in the next video. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Been a good weekend fiddling around with a car, not too stressful because I'm kind of worn out. This is kind of lightweight stuff. So anyway, have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.